back to Pure Lottie. So today I am doing Harry Potter look number 2. Can anyone guess what house this one is? Now if you've only watched the movies you may be a bit confused. In the movies it is actually blue and silver. In the books it is blue and bronze. So if you like this video, please make sure you hit the like button down below and don't forget to subscribe and change notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. Okay, to start this look off, as always, I just jump into my MAC paint pot in Painterly and use it as my eye primer. Then I jump into my Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette and I jump into the colour Priceless. Just pop it all over my lid and up to my eyebrows. Next I'm jumping into Celebrity Skin from the same palette, so more of a neutral brown colour just to give me that transition colour. Next I'm jumping into I'm Cold, so I just want to slowly work my way up to the colour that I need. So now I'm jumping into the colour Blue Blood, again using the same palette, just trying to deepen that colour up. So again, deepening it up using colour Deceased this time. Now jumping into the colour Blue Monday. So I'm just doing this slowly, getting to the colour that I want for the blue, rather than jumping in with a dark blue and then not having it the exact colour that I wanted or exactly where I wanted. So I'm just trying to be super careful and make this perfect. Okay, so for the bronze colour now, I'm using Crystal Flesh in the same Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette. I pop this on both lids and it's just not giving me the payout that I wanted. So I jump into my Anastasia Beverly Hills Jackie Aina palette and I jump into the colour Zam. And then I also wet my brush with my MAC Prep and Prime Fix It spray just to give me more of that foiled look, so then it's nice and bright. So I just use that same colour for my lower lash line, just give me a little bit of colour under the eyes. So jumping back to the Jeffree Star Blue Blood palette, and I'm using the colours I'm Cold and Cullinan, and just using that for my inner corner highlight. And then I also do use that for my highlighter all over my face, and it just gives me that nice bluey glow rather than a pinky or a goldy glow. And for lashes, I did use a bit of primer, and then I just used my blue mascara just to make my eyelashes pop and match in with the blue and bronze theme. And onto lips. So for my bottom lip, I used my Sephora Crayon Contour Eye Pencil in the colour My Boyfriend's Jeans. And I just used that, aligned my lips, and then filled it all in with it. Which is actually like a liquid eyeshadow, and it's in the colour Passion Light, and I just put that directly onto my lips, and then I just let it dry down so the blue and the bronze didn't transfer to each other. Finished look. So this is for all of you Ravenclaw fans out there. So to achieve the blue lashes, I just picked up some blue mascara. Now, if you don't have blue mascara, you can just use your eyelash primer, which is white, and then you can just tap on some blue eyeshadow onto the lashes. I've shown this in a few other videos. That's normally how I make my coloured mascara. And for my lips, I used my blue eyeliner for my bottom lip, and I just used my liquid eyeshadow by Pixie for the top lip. So a nice bronzy colour. This one's in Passion Light. It's Liquid Fairy Lights. Alright, so if you enjoyed this video, please make sure you hit the thumbs up button down below, and don't forget to subscribe and change the notifications to all so you don't miss any of my future videos. And if you want to see the other two houses, make sure you press the like button down below as well. As always, thanks for watching, guys. Bye!